Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to CRS PAST QUESTION year 2019. Question number 14 says, David entered into Saul's service because he was dash A. Skillful musician, B. Prudent in speech, C. An intelligent warrior, D. A man after God's own heart. The correct answer here is option A. A skillful musician. David was a skillful musician, and because of this talent, one of the servants of Saul advised Saul to seek for the service of David when the good spirit of God departed upon from him, and the evil spirit from God of God rest upon Saul. So at this point in time, we needed a man who is skillful in the use of harp or musical instrument, and that is how David entered into the service of Saul. And whenever David plays the musical instruments, the evil spirit upon Saul will leave him or depart from him. So we find this in 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 23. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.